preaching. I like the old-time way of shouting. I like the old-time way of praising His great name. I like the old-time way of singing. It makes the bells of joy keep ringing. I like the old-time way of telling of His fame. I like the old-time way, my brother. I like the old-time way, my sister. I like the old-time way of praising His great name. I want to clap my hands. I want to join that band. I like the old-time way of praising His great name. The preacher man would keep on saying, you better keep right on a-praying for that old devil. There is power, wonder-working power in the blood.
Take those hands and clasp them and hold them up and pray for a Pentecostal revival. Pray for Pentecostal evangelism. Pray the Holy Ghost will meet the need of this hour in the Church of God.
There's power in the blood, power in the blood.
Would you for evil a victory win?
There's wonderful power in the blood. There is power, wonder-working power in the blood, of the Lamb. There is power, wonder-working power in the precious blood of the Lamb.
Would you be free from your passion and pride?
There's power in the blood, power in the blood.
Come for cleansing to Calvary's tide.
There's wonderful power in the blood.
Since I found a Savior, joy bells sweetly ring. My soul is filled with glory. I'm a child of the heavenly King. I'm feasting on heavenly manna. He's in my heart right now. There's nothing in the world can turn me around.
Change his soul.
I'm so